Hi everyone. This module is to explain the difference between the modular and divider. So modular and divider. So modular is in this symbol, percent, and divider is the slash. So how they can behave. So this is a Piezo. I already, I'm going to change it to Conda. Okay, so 5 divided by 3, then it returns, it's a divider, so 1.66. But however, modular, which gives you the remainder, uh, so 5 modulo 3, then it returns 2, right? So for example, 100 modulo 3, then it returns 1. 99 modulo 3, it returns 0 because there is no remainder. But 99 divided by 3, then it returns. If you can use from command line, so I installed another version of Anaconda 3 in this directory. So I believe here, if you see here directory, then there is a Python exe, so that you can do Python, enter, then it gives you that Anaconda version of Python. Same thing. If you do 5 divided by 3, then it returns 1.666. 5 modulo 3, it returns. So 4 modulo 3, then it returns 1. All right.